Before Bluewater Shopping Centre was built, Greenhithe Station was just a small village station when it opened on the 30th of July 1849. The only access between the entrance and the London-bound platforms was via a subway with no disabled access. The station was completely rebuilt in 2008 to improve accessibility for disabled users and upgrade the station and ticketing facilities. This was a pioneer modular design by Network Rail, with Mitcham, Eastfields and Corby later constructed in the same way. The subway was being replaced by a bridge with stairs and lift access at both ends. The new station entrance, as booking hall, lies directly between the bridge and the bus stop outside. Before construction of this stop, its access roads, buses had to stop some distance away downhill and passengers had to transfer via stairs and a footpath. So thank God for buses now, hey Tico? So, as 700-022 arrives in the background work in the 0837 Govia Thameslink service from Rainham to Luton, we see the departure of 700-047 with the 0837 Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Rainham. Another freight train for us now in the form of 66793, working 6V04 from Grain Oil Terminal to Colebrook Bar GBRF. Arriving around the corner is 465022, 465030 and 466013 with the 0857 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Northfleet. And disappearing off in the opposite direction is 465912 and 465167 with the 0858 Southeastern service from Northfleet to London Charing Cross. Following right behind that is 700-017, working the 0907 Govia Thameslink service from Rainham to Luton. Arriving into the station 6 minutes late is 700-042 with the 0907 Govia Thameslink service from Luton to Rainham. Next arriving into the station is 466-013, 465-030 and 465-022 with the 0928 Southeastern service of Northfleet to London Charing Cross. Next out for departure is 707-011 and 707-005 with the 0929 Southeastern City Bean service from London Charing Cross to Northfleet. Next arriving into the station is 700-012 with the 0937 Govia Thameslink service from Rainham to Luton. And here comes our train running 14 minutes late in the form of 700-046, working the 0937 Govia Thameslink service from Luton to Rainham. This today terminating at Gillingham due to its late running. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.